Okay guys, I just want to show you, this is real life here. I don't know how it gets this messy, but we are gonna clean this mess up and undecorate. We have a lot of work to do, so let's just get started. Hi guys, so I know this video is so backwards, but this is me undecorating for fall. I wanted to get that Christmas video out for you guys sooner than later, so you guys can maybe take some ideas from that. So here I'm just cleaning up anything lying around, toys, slippers, water bottles, you name it. It's probably in the living room. Now, some people might not do this, but I do. I love to keep my diapers and some wipes, some extra ones, in my living room TV console, because sometimes I don't have time to run and get one, because things happen. So here I'm just taking off the pillows from the couch so I can fluff up the couch cushions, bring some life back to them. I like to do the same with the pillows as well, to give them just a little bit more fluff from being squished all day. Now these are my fall blankets, so I am just gonna pack those away. I like to place those blankets inside my storage ottoman so we can use them on a regular basis whenever someone needs an extra blanket or something. Now coming back, I had to take that sweater off because I was dying, guys. It was so hot. But anyway, I'm just finishing fluffing up the pillows and finding some toys inside the cushions and stuff. Now, after I finish fluffing up these pillows and getting the throw pillows back to where they belong, I'm just gonna start, looking around for any toys lying around, because I am sure there will be more. Now I'm just gonna start by actually undecorating after we cleaned up that mess. So we're gonna just take off any pillow covers, and I've already put away the blankets. Now, these chairs are amazing. I got them off Amazon. I can store my seasonal things in them, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just folding up these pillowcase covers, and I like to use these instead of buying new pillows. They are a lot easier to store. I'm looking around for my storage thing that I had. I had a box inside of there, but I guess I lost it. I don't know what happened, so I had to go find a new one. That way I can place all my decor in there, some glass pumpkins and all that other stuff. So now I'm just gonna rearrange my end tables and take away the decor. I took away that pumpkin, and the next day the kids came out and they're like, "Where's the chocolate jar, Mom?" So now moving on, I'm just taking up what I don't want here anymore, because I will be decorating for Christmas, but that video's already up. If you guys haven't seen it already, go check it out. So these two pillows in the corner, I was going to leave the pillowcases on them and keep those year round, but I decided to change those ones out for the season as well. So I will just be placing those pillow covers with my fall decor, and actually they ended up somewhere else in the house, and I can't wait to show you what I did with them. So moving on, the dining table. That's where I was putting most of the stuff I found in the living room. I wasn't actually putting them away. I was just moving them to another location. Oh my god, guys, have you noticed the blind in the corner? One of the kiddos had ripped it off. Have you guys had any of that like happen to you, where your children just, have at it, destroy everything? Of course, I was going to end up replacing the blinds anyway down the road, so I wasn't too upset. Now that we got this table cleaned up, I'm just taking away this table runner because I only use it during the fall time. I don't really like to have a table runner on. I try to keep the decor on the dining table fairly simple because we do use it every day. Get some use and abuse. So now I'm just spraying with some 7th generation disinfectant spray to kill all the viruses and germs that may have landed on this table throughout the day. The one thing I do not like when I bought this table was I didn't notice there was these grooves, so now you have to get all the dirt from all the cracks in the groove. Now I'm just taking another extra cloth and making sure the table is nice and dried off so I can start placing back the decor I want to keep there for the meantime until I figure out how to decorate this table. I do keep faux plants for right now until I get my gardening skills up because I've been killing them, guys, and I need help. So if you have tips on gardening, let me know. So I'm just rearranging the chairs and fixing them up and make sure they're nice and neat where I want them to be. And that is it, guys. Alright guys, we are all cleaned up and undecorated for fall. And I can't wait to show you guys me decorating for Christmas. And until next time, bye!